Good morning everyone, my name is Anirudh Naik and today I am gonna review this book. Now if you can look into my hand, there is a 7th standard textbook. Now 7th standard textbook is divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Now review of any book will start from its cover page, right? Now if you can see, the cover page of this book is dark yellow in color. If I keep this book anywhere in between all my books, I can easily identify what this book is, right? Because of this color. Also, if you look at the weight of this book, it's very light. Even the quality of the papers which is being used over here is also good. Also, this book has around 150 pages. Now, let's come back to the cover page of this book. Now, if you look at the top of this top over here, there is a mathematics written, and just below that you can see that there is a textbook for class 7 part 2. Okay. Now, at this extreme left corner, they have seen there are two people who are playing with this. Okay, and if you can see, there is 104 written over here and minus 104 which is written over here, which shows the positive and negative line. Okay, now just below over here you can see there are some 3D shapes which are mentioned. Okay, this is a cylinder, this is a sphere, this is a cube, and this is a cone. Now looking at the cover page, you might have got some idea what will be there in this text. Okay, now let's move forward. Now if I come back to this page, you can see that this book has all the permission and is supported by NCERT, that is National Council for Education, Research and Training, New Delhi. Now if you scan this code, this will direct you to the online platform where you can find this book. Okay, that is basically on ePathshala website. Now this book was, first edition of this book was printed in June 2006, and this is the revised print of this book of 2020. This book is published by Directorate of Education, Porvorim, Goa, and the price of this book is just 39 rupees, and this book is to be sold only in Goa state. Okay, now if you look at over here, they have mentioned what is a forward. Then there is a textbook development committee over here. Here the preface where they have mentioned about the National Curriculum Framework and acknowledgement, and finally there is a note for teacher. Now if you come over here, there is a content page. Now content page is very important because this gives you the way how you should proceed in your further academic year. Now in this content there are chapters named from 8 to 50. The first chapter is comparing quantities, then there is rational number, then practical geometry is there, then perimeters and area is there, then there is algebraic expressions, exponents and powers, then symmetry, and finally visualizing solution. Now upon these chapters I will talk about rational numbers. Now when I say rational number, what rational number is? Rational number is basically a number which is of the form p by q, right, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Now when I say p by q, they are also mentioned about terms like what is numerator and denominator. Numerator is basically a term which is on the top, and denominator is term which is on the bottom. There are some more terms which are involved in this chapter, and they are nothing but what are equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers, I can give you example like 2 by 3 and 4 by 6. They are same, right? So they are called as an equivalent rational number. Then they have mentioned what is positive and a negative rational numbers. Then how you can plot a rational number on a number line. This is also been mentioned over here. Then what is the standard form of a rational number? Okay. And then you can see over here that they have shown how you can perform different operations on rational numbers, like we have addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That is all been shown over here. Now if you look at the overall performance of this book, it is very good book because they have shown different activities with different pictures which shows that, which develops that feeling of getting into this book by looking at these pictures and activities, and you can do well in these activities. Okay, now if you look at the back cover of this book, you can see that there is a logo of Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, and they are saying that Sab Padhe, and at the end over here we can find a DHG logo. So thank you for listening. Thank you very much.